Alright, these are the two machines that I'm comparing. I actually just got this one over here, the Eureka. It's a Eureka Precision, also known as Eureka Bravo or Eureka Bravo 2. This one here was made in the 90s. I think it would be about mid-90s, early 90s. And I got right here a Hoover Elite. This one was also made in the 90s. Both of these machines are direct air cleaners, meaning that the dirt goes through a fan and up a chamber to get into the bag. My opinion, I think that the Hoover is probably the better machine. From what I understand, when Hoover came out with the Elite, Eureka came out with the Bravo 2, the Precision, and I think a couple of other cleaners to compete with the Hoover Elite. So, right on the floor here I have two big handfuls of aspen shavings, and although it might not completely be even between the two, it's still a pretty rough pickup. So first I'm going to start out with the Eureka, and I'm going to move over to the Hoover. Here we go. By the way, this is the 10 amp version of the Eureka, and this is about 7 amps. So, here we go. So, there you have it. Whichever machine you guys think did the best, feel free to comment. My opinion, it was the Hoover. Basically, I could clean most of it up in one pass. The other one, it took about 2 or 3. So, there you go.